This is the All-Clad HA1 hard anodized non-stick fry pan 5-piece set. It comes with an 8-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch pan and a 10-inch and 12-inch glass lids. These pans are made of heavy gauge hard anodized aluminum and is coated with 3 layers of safe PFOA-free non-stick material, and it's scratch resistant and durable. All 3 handles are made of solid stainless steel that is riveted to the pan themselves. And these are not just round handles. These are handles that are shaped and contoured to your fingers that gives you a better grip and control, preventing the pans from tilting and turning. And instead of using screws, they use stainless steel rivets to attach the handles to the pans. That means it will not come loose easily. They use the same rivets to attach the handles on the glass lids, and just like the pan handles, the surround of the glass lids and the handles are made of stainless steel, and the handles are shaped for easy handling. The base of these pans are made of durable anti-warp stainless steel. That's why these pans are compatible with most cooktops. You can use it on gas, electric stove, and even compatible with induction cooktop. You can also put them inside an oven or a broiler with a maximum temperature of 500 degrees Fahrenheit or 260 degrees Celsius. We've been using these pans for a few months now. That's why you're seeing some stains on them. But because of its PTFE non-stick coating, the non-stick surface does not degrade, flake off, or get mixed up in our food. And let me show you a quick demonstration. There's no cooking oil on the pan. I just cracked the egg right on top of the pan. And even if you see some parts of the egg sticking to the pan, if I slightly scrape it with a spatula, they come off. And you can see that the egg is not sticking to the pan. As I flip the egg, again, you can see some parts of the egg sticking to the pan. And the moment I scrape the egg off the pan, it comes off easily. And now it doesn't stick anymore. Again, there is no cooking oil as I cook this egg on the pan. And the PTFE non-stick coating material still works even after a few months of use. You can wash these pans in the dishwasher or by hand wash by using mild detergent and non-abrasive pads to preserve its non-stick performance. So guys, this is the All-Clad HA1 hard anodized non-stick fry pan 5-piece set. Get yours today, and thanks for watching.